I'm a Lamborghini. I'm a Hollywood star. I'm a little bit tipsy when I drive my car.
Welcome to Work Life Advice, a series where we pick your favorite pop culture characters and share some gyan to help you navigate through work and life.
Work-life lessons from Alexis Rose.
In the Canadian sitcom Schitt's Creek, we're introduced to Alexis Rose, a bratty socialite who's never had a job or even completed school.
Ew, David. Ooh. Ew, no, David. Ew.
As the series progresses, we see the character transform. Alexis rebuilds herself from being dependent on others for her happiness to graduating from school, juggling two jobs, getting really close to her family, and cutting off toxic people.
And how does she do that? Number 1, by getting comfortable in her own skin.
And second, I told myself that I would enjoy my own company tonight.
Number 2, by bringing her people skills to the fore in a job she has no experience in.
The upside. Oh, is that Albert from down the hall can now come over for dinner without worrying about his allergies threatening his life.
Number 3, by not thinking twice about what people think and doing what she wants to.
Trust me, people aren't thinking about you the way that you're thinking about you.
Number 4, by treating herself because she deserves it.
Every now and again, spending like a little bit of money on something really special, it might not buy you happiness, but it can definitely help make you smile.
Number 5, by upskilling and not getting stuck, which would explain her amazing transition from a vet receptionist to a publicist. She doesn't get stuck on the fact that she doesn't have the required skills for either of the jobs and goes ahead and finishes school and does what she has to. What do you think about Alexis's character transformation? Tell us in the comments below.
Don't forget to sign up to Cool Kanya to learn, connect, and earn. Until next time, raise your power.